really my location. It's hitting Almora right now, and it's probably gonna miss us. But I heard the sirens go off, so I returned some shells because that's real life. So the lightning just struck right next to me. Wait until the sirens turn off. Okay, so the sirens have turned off now. That's good. So really, no, we're not doing that. Okay, I've started a new server. Hold on. Okay, yeah, there we go. Because the high risk we were at is pretty rubbish. Only 2,000 cape, which is honestly trash. But we're in a much better. But this is much better. I know it's a moderate risk, but day 2's high risk. So this might be a long video. So temperatures of 71 degrees Fahrenheit, dew point 49 Fahrenheit, which is very low, probably one of the lowest we've seen. Our cape is 3,470 joules per kilogram. Our 3 cape is 115 joules per kilogram. Our 0 to 3 kilometer lapse rate is 8.5 Celsius per kilometer. Our 3 to 6 kilometer lapse rate is 7.1 Celsius per kilometer, which is meh. I'd say that's meh for this one. Our PVOT is only 0.6 inches, so we're going to see some drier storms today, which is good. We're going to get some photogenic tornadoes, possibly. But then our SRH is 232 meters squared per second squared, and then our surface relative humidity is 46%, which is very mid. And then 700 to 500 millibar relative humidity is only 27%, so gosh, that's why. Our significant tornado parameter is 4, and our violent tornado parameter is 1. So not bad. Our hodograph today looks very sheared towards the upper levels of the atmosphere. So yeah, incredibly sheared, as there's a loop. Okay, today we're gonna use our Dominator 1, but not just any Dominator 1, this Dominator 1. I know it's trash, but look, 2009 Dominator 1. Come on, this cannot look cute. Little mouth, eyes, sort of. It looks cute, in a way. Yeah, I know, it doesn't have a masonet. So the only way to get any information on wind is by looking at the probes and the tornado. So yeah, this is a bit of a risky car to use. But hey, at least it looks cute. Sure, it's not very safe to use, but who cares? Yeah, it's almost midday and there's no storms around. Oh, spoke too soon. There's a storm right there. So, where's that storm? Oh gosh, it's so far south. Oh wow. Oh, that's really far south. That's probably off the map. Oh wow, that's near Mizpah. That's probably one of the furthest southerly storms I've ever seen. Southwest. So we're going to see some long cycling tornadoes. Right, so this is going to be a long cycling storm right here. Ooh, is that the hook echo forming? I am not 100% sure. But it does look like it. It's not expanding much. Whoa! Spider-like. It's like spider lightning. Yep, that's a hook. That's a hook right there. You can visually see that. That's very well defined. My cruise control just turned off. Great. And here we are. We're in rock. No. Here we are in Starbuck. I know this is a 2009 Dominator 1, but it changes nothing about the specifications other than there being no mass in it. Other than that, it changes nothing. It's just visualization. I'm gonna wait here for the tornado form. Oops, severe thunderstorm warning. I also might need to turn around a bit. Alright, let's go north. Sorry, I was in the middle of yawning there. Whoops. Okay, it looks like the storm is moving about north-northeast. Oh, yep, rotation. That's a rotation. That's a rotating card there. And a funnel. I have funnel. I know I'm in a private server, but who cares? I like reporting because I'm a sky warner. So we got a funnel cloud reported. Ooh, we got 1-inch size hail near the Kisota State Forest. I know it's a Kisota Lake. Oh wow, no, that looks more like 2-inch size hail. You have a look at the velocity. Yep, that's the rotation now. Where's it moving? It's either moving north-northeast or north.
Size hail. This dangerous storm will
Okay, we got tornado warning.
80 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Trent, Prior Lake, Hibbing. For your protection, move indoors to a sturdy building. Avoid windows. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain.
We've got touchdown.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business.
Of a road.
Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road.
Multi-vortex. It is multi-vortex. You can see those little vortices there. If I just zoom in a bit. There, you can see the vortices there. That's a side winding. It's siding a bit. Okay, I'm in a good location. No, I'm not. Okay, I need to turn around. Look, what in the world is that funnel doing? And I think there's a new storm. It is really wobbly. It is massively wobbly. Meaning it's probably a little weak. Yep, it is weak. Yeah, there's a new storm near Miss Park. Alright. Oh, I'm in the tornado warning.
The National Weather Service in Hazleton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Beltrami County in north-central Kisota. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail. This dangerous
Oh wait,
storm
that's a
was
severe
located
thunderstorm warning. What the hell? Oh.
Miles per hour. Locations impacted include Trent, Hibbing. For your protection, move indoors to a sturdy building. Avoid windows. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road.
Okay, yeah, that tornado is now very close to me. I'm gonna place the first probe. This is the unconfirmed probe. Priority. I'm gonna drive a little more further north. Whoa. Deploy. Drop the scrub. Confirm pro. Confirm the tornado is headed towards me. Yep, that's headed towards me. I don't have any bassinet, so I have no idea where this tornado is going to head. It could shift at any second. Nope, that is definitely heading towards me. Which one is which? Oh, I am approaching the wind field. I don't know if I am even in the wind field, really. Did I miss? I missed. You've got to be kidding me. Although it's still green TPS, so it doesn't really matter. Another yellow. Look at the pro.
The National Weather Service in Hazleton has issued a tornado warning for
There it
Cherokee
is.
County in north-central Keysota, Beltrami County in north-central Keysota. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Prior Lake, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Prior Lake. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body, and always stay away from windows. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch or other low spot and cover your head with your hands.
Oh yeah, that tornado is absolutely tiny. But I am reporting about tornado that is absolutely tiny. That hold on. That I don't think that's a rope, that's a needle. Oh, and it lifted. Although there is another rotation nearby. More towards Hibbing. I'm gonna help. I'm in a severe thunderstorm warning. No. Alright, go this way. Quickly. Well, I don't have to be quick. It's still yellow TBS and it's moving. Oh, hold on. I think it shifted. Oh, wait, I'm not in a severe thunderstorm warning. I'm in a tornado warning. That was a tornado warning? 2-inch size head. Oh, no. Look how fast that's rotating. Holy. What in the world? Yep, that is confirmed. Multiple attacks. That's a lot of Aussies. Oh yeah, that's hitting north. Stop. Deploy. Bring out the probes. And fast. Just put it a little further west and there we go. Get inside. What? Ah, well, it's too late now. It's too late to undeploy. It's orange TVS. Okay, orange TVS. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna miss. Wait, I do have a mess in it. I've just realised. Oh no, I'm stupid. I've been playing stupid the whole time. There is a mess in it somewhere. Yeah, I could do enforced intercept. I could do enforced intercept. It's just dangerous. It's just risky. Oh, there's another rotation somewhere. Maybe even a funnel. I'll get 40, 50, 60. No, oh. Okay, 65, 70, 75, and 80. Just a little bit. I'm barely getting any wins. It's probably getting ready to lift at this point. Yeah, that's probably lifting, but I see another funnel. And here we are back in Prior Lake. So that chase was a pretty big bust, but our thermodynamics and oh my god! Ah! The SRH is massive. Well, the relative humidity is the storm relative velocity is massive, but the relative humidity is pretty mid. I don't. We're gonna see some mid. Yeah. Uh, I don't know. Well, our temperatures is 79 degrees Fahrenheit, dew point is 61 degrees Fahrenheit. I think the reason why we got such a big burst like that was because of the 700 to 500 millibar relative humidity and the dew point, since they were so low. But the SRH for a low end moderate risk was pretty good. And I've just realized the composites. Oh my gosh. Our CAPE is 3,562 joules per kilogram, which is far away from the record, but pretty good, pretty good. 3 CAPE is 142 joules per kilogram. Our 0 to 3 kilometer lapse rate is 8.4 Celsius per kilometer, which is very high. Our 3 to 6 kilometer lapse rate is 7.2 Celsius per kilometer. Our precipitation water is 1.1 inches, which mid. Our storm relative velocity is 562 meters squared per second squared, which is absolutely huge. Our surface relative humidity is 54%, and 700 to 500 millibar relative humidity is 50%. So relative humidity is pretty mid. But yeah, we're probably going to see some very, very powerful tornadoes today. Just get a torchlight and some crisps just in case I start to get low health once I start to... So we might even get some EF5s if they do hit land. If they do hit any towns. But anyways, these were the tornadoes of that day. So this was the first one, we've already disclosed that. This was the second one, a moderately big tornado. It was medium, I'd say. It wasn't a wedge at all. Far away from a wedge, really. I completely missed that tornado too. Along with this one, another medium-ish tornado. Went north towards Trent, missed apparently. I was there, and it lifted there. No wonder we were so weak. It shifted a little bit before it lifted. But yeah, I'm not surveying any of these tornadoes because they didn't hit any towns. They didn't hit any houses other than that tornado, but that was probably incredibly weak by the time it did some damage, so we're not going to count that. So let's wait and see what tornadoes shall show up. Hold on, what's that? Oh, looks like we've got a storm forming. And yes, I did partially deploy because this looks better for parking. Then it's slower to undeploy. Wait, hold on. There's Whoa! That's so cool. I didn't know they did that. Anyways, where's that storm? Oh, wow. Way further west and a little bit further north. where storm's gonna be forming, or where they're going. They're going that way. So that means they might be able to hit Verocla if they're far enough tracked. I'm going to wait for a tornado to form. By the looks of it, it's going to be pretty small. Alright, severe thunderstorm warning has occurred, and wow, that red goes far. Oh, hold on, what's that? That's what I call rotation. We've got rotation, and I got near the border of the map, really. Right, I'm gonna go that way. So that's where I'm gonna go, west. And not get stuck in a stop sign. Funnel cloud. I need to go fast. Right, touchdown. The tornado is on the ground. It's a cone right now. That's a very verified cone. That is probably one of the most cone-like tornadoes I've ever seen. But it does look like it is not really growing or shrinking, so it is neutral. Either that or it's too far away to see. What the heck? I didn't even do that. What in the world? Oh, hold on. It does seem to be growing just a little bit. What GPS is it now? It's still green. Look at that! In the world! Okay, don't be mesmerized by the explosive growing. Just get in. Go north, go north, go north, go north.
All may hide this tornado, making it extremely difficult to see. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. This storm is capable
Or maybe I should go with that road.
violent tornadoes. Take cover immediately if you're in the path of
True.
the storm.
Deploy. Get the probes out now. Get him. Right, I have deployed. Got 2 probes out. And this tornado's picked GPS already. Okay. Wow. That rapidly intensified. That didn't just rapidly intensify, that explosively intensified, really. And it looks like I'm in a wind field already. Okay. What, did it just shift slightly? Oh no, I think it did. Might just miss. The hell? What's going on? Oh, it shifted again. Maybe it's towards me. No, it's still going that way. Oh, I'm in the wind field. Okay. 80, 90, 100, 110. Oh, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170. Holy God, that was fast! 160, 173 on the ground. need to. Oh. Okay, tornado emergency for Hibbing. I don't know why, but forget it. I'm going south. The other boat barely got any winds, like 34 mile per hour winds, which is impressive since it was so far away from the funnel. Yeah, starboard. Oh! What? Hold on, how big is that wind field? Okay. 1 mile. 1.13 mile wind field. That's insane. Yep, wedge tornado. This is a powerful, violent wedge tornado headed for, of course. Where else but Veracruz? Where else but Veracruz? Well, of course it's Veracruz. When is it when is it not Veracruz? Where's the square? Red TVS, headed for Gamble. Wait, destroyed something! Couple trees there and a possible building. Yep. Silos. And a building that's just been flattened. Oh, I'm in a windfield. A total destruction of building. I'll just do them at the highest possible. Is 185 possible? No. 180? No. 175? That's 176, not 5. Where is it 5? Yep, 175. There you go. What about these silos? Yep. Guess this is here. Damage. 155. This is a strong to violent tornado. I want some infantry damage. Moving on. Oh no. Yeah, I'm not gonna make that tornado. Oh, help! Siphon again. Deja vu. Yellow TVS in West Baraka. Meanwhile, there's a pink TVS headed for Andrusha, which is like the least hit town other than Angora, Woban, or Pauzoid. Okay, the Hibbing, there's a tornado in Hibbing and it just touched down. I might need to head south. Hold on. Hold on, I've got a plan. I've got an idea. I don't know if it'll work though. I'm gonna go on that short road that might. I'm gonna go on this looping road. Oh my gosh, it's multi. Hold on. let's just see that. Was that dead man walking? Oh my gosh, there's so many multi-vortex. There's so many vortices. Is he walking? Oh, they're just effects. Okay. Deploy. Get the probes out. Get it. It's red TPS. I'm not on the Winfield yet. Oh wow, it's really close. You could just see those. Holy. Those vortices are black. Look how black they are.
Today, tornado warning for Beltrami County, North Central Keysota.
Cross crowd a bit.
Cherokee County, North Central Keysota. Doppler radar indicated a tornado on the ground near Starbuck. Doppler radar showed this tornado moving south at 50
Oh,
miles
now I'm in a
per hour.
Winfield. It's a tiny Winfield, but large funnel.
Starbuck.
Okay. 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Do I hit 110? Yep, there's 110. Good level there. 120, 130. Whoa! Big spike. Yep, 147. And I'm in Winfield. 142. Not bad. Well, in that case, it should be pink by now. Oh, and that tornado lifted. Okay. Oh, it's pink. Okay, yep, it's pink, and it's headed for Peshtig. Oh. Peshtigo? It's just not good. Yep, and the final touchdown. Alright. I know I don't like night chases, but in this case, I need to do it! Yep, this sounds good. Look at it.
Their service in Hazelton has issued a tornado warning for Cherokee County, North Central
And I'm in the
Keysota.
Winfield. I'm in the Winfield again.
County, North Central
40,
Keysota.
50.
Indicated an Aegis tornado on the ground near
Okay, go. 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130. 140, 150, 160, 170. Oh my god. Highest wind approximately 190 miles an hour. That was incredible. Still on wind, just a little bit. amazing. But with that, I think that's going to end up the episode. Thank you guys so much for watching this episode of Welsh Tornado Chases. If you liked it, then please like and subscribe, all that blah blah. And also, hopefully, episode 3 will be released maybe by the next couple of days, because the video that was supposed to come out was going to be a lot different than this. But anyways, thank you guys